into mine. Silently we walk along, we stumble home at night. It's so dark along our street since they took out the street lights. You get scared so easily that you give me half right.
That's not the end.
Sunlight streams into my eyes. It always brings me to. I didn't mean to wake you, darling, but I can't keep my eyes off you. And when you leave, I will walk you out the door, 'cause I know it won't be long before you come back into the warm. Oh, shut my eyes, shut my eyes, shut my eyes, I'm dreaming. Shut my eyes, shut my eyes, shut my eyes, I'm dreaming. Shut my eyes, shut my eyes, I'm dreaming. Shut my eyes, shut my eyes. Oh, when I shut my eyes, I'm dreaming.
Thanks a lot, cheers. So apparently this is being streamed live on the Millennium Centre website, so if you all wave. I have no idea where the camera is though, but some of you are on camera. Probably the ones at the front. Where is the camera, by the way? Ah, it's up the back somewhere. We're going to do a song called Middle for you next. And it goes like this.
1, 2, 3, 4. sentence over again. Scenery through glass, through eyes, the world outside. And I was overcompensating, and I was overcompensating. World is all reflected light, shine far too bright. Feel the ground on which we stand, such shift inside. And I weep for the man I could have been, and I weep for the man I could have been. I imagine all the sky I see, somewhere in the middle is a world to find, and everyone around you knows that the middle is the worst place you can be, that the middle is the worst place you can be, that the middle is the worst place you can be.
Diolch yn fawr, cheers. Have a bit more acoustic guitar in my monitor, please. We're going to do a pretty much a brand new song for you now. It's called Amber, and we hope you like it.
There was amber in the dusty earth. You revealed it. Found poetry and meaning there. It was gleaming. How much, if I counted up, did I really need?
Cheers, thank you. Some of you may have caught us on the Really Welsh Christmas show a couple of nights ago on BBC One, and we were lucky enough to play with the BBC National Orchestra of Wales, and which is quite mad for us. And we're going to play a song called Happen now, and this is the song that was on that show. It's repeated on Christmas Eve, by the way, so catch it if you can.
Gently, my dear, try not to worry anytime soon. The trust in your eyes went with the summer, so sleep with your lies. Lost ourselves a long time ago. Still we try, still we fall. Make me believe there's something left, please. Something good, something good. So lay down gently, my dear. Try not to worry anytime soon. Trust in your eyes went with the summer, so sleep with your lies. We lost ourselves a long time ago. Still we try, still we fall. Make me believe there's something left, please. Something good, something good.
Thanks a lot. Who clapped prematurely then? So who's seen us before? A few. I can see a little pocket of hardcore Trees fans in the corner there. Complete with t-shirts. You might have noticed these strategically placed t-shirts at the front. We've got a tiny little merch desk on the side, so if you like our music, come and have a chat with us after. We've got CDs, t-shirts and bottle openers as well, and you will need one of those over Christmas. This next song is River Home.
My soul is a sinner, and it feels so long ago, and it feels so long ago. My home is a river, my soul is a sinner, and it feels so long ago, and it feels so long ago. She said, don't worry about the future, it'll float to you. She said, don't worry about the future, it'll float home. She said, don't worry about the future, it'll float to you. She said, don't worry about the future. My home is a river, my soul is a sailor, and it feels so long ago, and it feels so long ago. She said, don't worry about the future, it'll float to you. She said, don't worry about the future, it'll float home. She said, don't worry about the future, it'll float to you. She said, don't worry about the future.
Cheers, thanks a lot. We're going to do another new song for you now, if that's okay. Although if you've never seen us before, they're all brand new, of course.
settling down in a ghost town. I'm digging holes for the little ones. Who needs more than a ghost town? Some of us live asleep, some of us don't. Tell me a story, the story of a man who got away. Tell me a story, the story of a man who got away. Tell me a story, the story of the man who got away. Tell me a story, the story of the man who got away. Tell me a story, the story of the man who got away. Tell me a story.
Thanks a lot, cheers. Everyone's on the Christmas shopping? I haven't. Yes, good point. If you haven't, you need to buy a Climbing Trees t-shirt. They're a good stocking filler. We've got kids' ones as well, as modelled by this child at the front. This next song is called Under the Lindens.
Some records, I think we caused quite a din. Talk just about everything. Outside there's one grey cloud, but our clothes are still stuck to our skin. And the knife just missed my fingers as I cut some more limes for our gin. Slide from my high, dry tongue. And it doesn't matter who they want, and it doesn't matter who they want, and it doesn't matter who they want to hold, and it doesn't matter who they want to hold, and it doesn't matter who they want to hold, and it doesn't matter who they want to hold, and it doesn't matter who they want to hold, and it doesn't matter who they want to hold, and it doesn't matter who they want to hold, and it doesn't matter who they want to hold, and it doesn't matter who they want to hold, and it doesn't matter who they want to hold. And it doesn't matter who they want to hold, and it doesn't matter who they want. So, thank you.
Thanks a lot, cheers. We've got a couple more songs for you before we all go our separate ways. Us lot, I mean, not the band. We're not splitting up. Not yet, anyway. This is our one fast pop song, so if you do feel like dancing, it is Friday night after all.
Got it good around here. Take my soul, lead me to the water. It's only money I feel. You can't look back and hold on to memories that only ends one way. When the death bell rings and takes out the soul of me, I'm gonna have my say. She's got it good, she's got it good, good around here. She's got it good, she's got it good, good around here. Sell your youth with focus and bitterness. You're gonna get a one time when the cold wind blows and asks for a witness. He's gonna see your crown. Hold my hand, take me to my daughter. She's got it good around here. Take my soul, lead me to the water. It's only money I feel. She's got it good, she's got it good, good around
We got one more quick song for you before you all rush off. And it's our sing-along. It's called Burning Candle. So feel free to sing along. It's fairly easy. And harmonise and whatnot. We are climbing trees in case you missed that bit. Come and have a chat with us after. Or if not, have a lovely Christmas and New Year and all that stuff.